Scientist.
Yes, a scientist whose name is Griffins. The main character of the story is a scientist whose name is Griffins. And Griffins is a very lawless person. Which incident in the story tells us that he is lawless?
If Griffin is very
When
lawless
his house
person,
owner
Okay, दिव्यानी आंसर, दिव्यानी को आंसर करने दो. दिव्यानी.
the line showed that he was lawless person because when he landlord told him to shift the house, he set the fire on his house.
Yes, very good. Yes, the landlord told him to vacate his house. He ejected him of his house, and he was very angry and he set his house on fire. So this incident tells us that he was such a lawless person. He did not want to follow the rules. What strange sight did the London boy see one day? What strange sights did the London boys see one day? What a strange
The London
sight.
boys saw that there were footprints of mud on the steps, but there was nobody.
Yes, they saw the footprints of mud on the streets, but there was no one visible. And what did the boys do after that? Who will answer? What did the
They
boys
began to follow the steps, footprints.
They began to follow the footsteps. They began to follow the footsteps, but unfortunately, they were not able to find the mystery because the footsteps disappeared. The footsteps all of a sudden disappeared. So Griffins had discovered a formula by which a person could become invisible. But if you are wearing some clothes, then you can be visible. So to make himself invisible, what he had done when he set fire to his landlord's house, to become invisible, he removed his clothes and he came out. At that time he came out, but what happened? When he was walking in the London streets, he was facing lot of problem. There was extreme cold. He was facing lot of problem because of the extreme biting cold. So because of the extreme cold, he was facing lot of problem. So he decided to enter into a shop, and he entered into a shop. When the shop owners closed the shop and went away, Griffins had a very nice time. What are the things that Griffins did inside the shop? What are the things that Griffins did? Jigyasa, answer. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You were present in the class in which this was taught?
Yes, ma'am.
What did he do inside the shop? Screen is
Ma'am, he found the
bolo.
Ma'am, he found the clothes. He was so hungry, so he ate bread.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Continue. First of all, yes, Jigyasa, your answer is right. First of all, he chose his choicest clothes, best clothes. He gave himself the pleasure of clothing. Whatever were the best clothes of the shop, he chose those best clothes and he wore them. And then he ate the food of his choice. जो भी खाना पसंद आया उसने खाया without regard to expense. खर्च का तो कोई ये ही नहीं था. खर्च का no. So So there was no regard to expense. Means he did not have to think. He did not have to think about the expense. It was all free. He did not have to think about the expense. It was all free. He broke open the boxes and wrappers. He broke open the boxes. He broke open the boxes and the wrappers and fitted himself with warm clothes. जो भी गरम कपड़े पसंद आए, तो जो भी गरम कपड़े उसको पसंद आए उसने सारा जो है पहन लिया. बॉक्स को खोला. रैपर्स soon with shoes, overcoat, wide brimmed. What is the meaning of brim? Wide brimmed. What is the meaning of wide brimmed? Brimmed means what? Brimmed means edged. So he took a white edged hat, white brimmed hat. He became a fully dressed and visible person. So when he was not wearing any clothes, he was not visible. But once he wore those clothes, then the light did not pass through his body. Then once again he became an opaque body. And again he was visible, fully dressed and visible person. In the kitchen of the restaurant, he found cold meat and coffee. All his choicest food, meat, coffee, and he followed up the meal with sweets and wine. So he ate all the delicious food, whatever he could find, meat, coffee. Then also in the end of the meal, he was able to find some sweets and wine. Finally, he settled down to sleep on a pile of quilts. After eating to his full, पेट भर के जब खाना खा लिया तो सोने की बारी आई. आराम से जाके दुकान में गद्दा बिछा हुआ था, pile of quilts. He went and slept on the quilts. If only griffins had managed to wake up in good time, all might have gone well. If griffins had woke up in time, what would have happened? He would have woken up before the shopkeepers came and he would have quietly slipped off. But he was sleeping, peaceful sleep. If only griffins had managed to wake up in good time, all might have been well. सब सही रहता अगर ग्रिफिन समय पर उठ के निकल जाता. जैसे ही दुकान खुला, अगर वो उसी टाइम उठ गया होता तो जल्दी से वो निकल जाता. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arriving next morning. But what happened? Next morning, the assistants of the shop came to open the shop, and when he saw a couple of them, you can see griffins running headless. सर पे कुछ नहीं है तो नहीं दिख रहा है, बॉडी पे कपड़ा है तो दिख रहा है. So shop assistants came approaching. He panicked. So all of a sudden, when he saw the assistants, he was scared. He panicked. Panic means here scared. He was scared and he began to run. They naturally gave chase. You can see in the picture that the shop owners are running after him. He became scared and he began to run. They naturally gave chase. Chase means they followed him, ran after. They ran after him. They gave him a chase. They ran after him. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. Again, how did he escape? Again, he had to remove his clothes. Again, he had to escape only by becoming invisible. And how he could become invisible? By taking off his newly found clothes. कपड़े जो है, जो भी मुफ्त के कपड़े मिले थे, उसको पहनने का कुछ देर ही मौका मिला. He could only wear those free clothes for a few hours. Again, he had to remove these clothes when the shop assistants ran after him. So once more he found himself invisible, but naked. So again he became invisible, but after becoming invisible, again the same problem that he was facing earlier, the same problem that he was facing earlier. He again became without any clothes. And that also in the chill of January. January is the coldest month. And in this cold month, being without clothes was really very painful for Griffins. But he had to do so to escape from the shop owners. नहीं तो shop owners उसको पकड़ लेते. तो shop owners से बचने के लिए he removed his clothes, became invisible, but again the same problem which he was facing earlier. Extreme cold but no clothes. This time he decided to try the stock of a theatrical company. Now, what is theatrical company? Theatrical company is which supplies clothes to supplies clothes for plays and dramas. जो नाटक में नाटक और ड्रामा के लिए कपड़े बेचते हैं, plays or dramas. So he this time he thought that he will enter a theatrical company. वहां उसको अपने मनपसंद कपड़े मिल जाते. Try the stock of a theatrical company in the hope of finding not only clothes but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulder. As you could see in the picture, Griffins was running and only his body was visible. And the space above his shoulders, it was almost invisible. So if he could find something to wear on his head, then that part also could become visible. And नकली मूछ, नकली आँख, ये सब भी नाटक के कंपनी में रहता है. So if he could find all those things, caps and whiskers and all, then that would make his face visible. So what was his purpose of entering the theatrical company? In the theatrical company, he could not only find clothes but also something that could make his face visible. Mask भी रहता है, नकली चेहरा सब भी रहता है. So in that way he could even get a false face. So that was his motive, why he entered the theatrical company, finding not only clothes but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulders. Because now he did not only want to have a body, he also wanted a face. He could get a body by wearing clothes. What about a face? So he also wanted a face. So that is the purpose why he entered the theatrical company. Because there he could get things to make a face also. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Drury Lane. Where was this theatrical company located? ये theatrical company किस जगह पे था? Drury Lane में था. जगह का नाम है the center of the theater world. He soon found a suitable shop, and Griffins got a suitable shop also, from where he could steal all the clothes and the things to make a face. He made his way invisible. So going inside was not difficult. Why going inside was not difficult? Because he was invisible. आराम से वो अंदर घुस सकता था. He was invisible. So upstairs, he made his way upstairs and came out a little later, wearing bandages round his forehead. And there he found all the things to make a false face. What did he do? What did he do to make a false face? He wore bandages round his फोरहेड, अपने पूरे सर को जो है वो बैंडेज में लपेट लिया। कोई सोचेगा कि उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है इसीलिए बैंडेज लपेटे हैं। नो वन विल नो that is because of his false face. People will think that he must have met an accident. That is why he has wrapped the bandages round his forehead. Dark glasses. What did he do to get a false eye? Dark glasses. Nothing was behind the glasses, but the glasses would make people feel that he also has eyes. False nose. Nakli naak bhi mil gaya. He got false eyes by wearing glasses. He got a forehead by wearing those bandages. Big bushy side whiskers. Whiskers means pata hai? What is whiskers? What do you mean by whiskers? Hello? Hello? Hello, my voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Whiskers means what? Hair above the lips. Mooch. Whiskers. Beard means दाढ़ी. Whiskers means hair above the lips. So whiskers means the hair above the, it's not clear. वहाँ clear नहीं था. So what kind of whiskers he got? He got a thick side whiskers. एकदम मोटे bushy एकदम मोटे मूछ उसको मिल गए. Bushy means thick. एकदम झाड़ी के तरह मोटा. Bushy here means thick. So what kind of mustache he chose for himself? Thick mustache and a large hat. और सर के लिए उसने क्या choose किया? एक बड़ा सा hat. So now he was a fully visible person. He was a fully visible person because he also got a false face. To escape without being seen, he callously means without any feelings. Callously means without any feelings. We already know that Griffiths was a lawless person. He did not have any feelings for anyone. He was very cruel. Very cruel, insensitive. Callous also you can say insensitive. दूसरों के लिए कोई ये नहीं, feelings नहीं, insensitive. So he very callously attacked the shopkeeper from behind. और सामान भी लिया और उसने shopkeeper को injured भी कर दिया. What did he do? He was invisible. So taking advantage of his invisibility, what did he do? He attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him of all his money. And what other illegal thing did he do in the shop? He not only stole clothes, he also attacked. All these things you can write in the character sketch of Griffiths. Agar aaya to ye sab incident. What are the incidents that prove that he was insensitive and he misused his scientific discovery? He became invisible and he harmed people. He did not use his invisibility for any good purpose. He used it for his own selfish motives. So he stole all the clothes, the bandages, the mustaches, the false nose, dark glasses. He stole all these things. And after that, he also attacked the shopkeeper very cruelly. Very cruelly, he attacked the shopkeeper from behind. Invisible था तो उसको कोई देख नहीं सकता था. पीछे से उसने शॉपकीपर को जोर से मारा. And after that, what did he do? He robbed all the money he could find. So all these incidents prove that Griffins was a very, very cruel, insensitive, lawless person. Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Eccentric means, you know, eccentric means strange.
Strange.
Strange behavior. Not normal. What curious episode occurs? घटना जो है स्टडी में होती है. What other extraordinary? In means what? A rest house. In means a rest house. So now what happened? Now Griffins was a totally visible person. Now Griffins was totally visible. Why? Because he was wearing clothes. He was wearing all the things of the face, the bandages, the false nose, the dark glasses, the hat. All these things made his face also visible. Eager to get away from the crowded London, he did not want to stay at a crowded place. Why do you think he did not want to stay at a crowded place? Why he wanted to get away from the crowded place? Fear of being caught. He had set house to the landlord's house. He had set fire to the landlord's house. So he was scared that the police would be after him. He did not want to stay at a crowded place because always the fear of getting caught was there in his mind. Because he had done an illegal activity. He had set fire to the landlord's house. The landlord must be trying to catch hold of him. He did not want to stay at a crowded place. So he took a train to the village of Iping. Iping is the place. तो लंदन से वो कहाँ के लिए ट्रेन पकड़ा? एक गांव के लिए. गांव में जो है पकड़े जाने का कम चांस होता. So this is Iping is the place, name of the village, where he booked 2 rooms at the local inn, and he took 2 rooms on rent. So from London, where did Griffins go? Hello, Nitin Sinha? Nitin, you can hear my voice? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did Griffin go from London? From London, where he went? Why he did not want to stay in a crowded place like London? Tell me. Hello. Hello, my voice is audible. Sun sakte ho, Nitin? Hello. That means you people are not concentrating. Just for name's sake, you have joined the class. You're not able to answer questions. Hello. Aditya Anugrah, answer. From where did Griffins go from London? Hello. Hello. Koi nahi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone answer?
He took a train and go to the village of Iping.
Yes. And what was the reason he did not want to stay in London?
He had the fear that he will caught.
Yes, very good. He had the fear that he would get caught. So he immediately took a train to a small village of Iping. There he went and he booked 2 rooms at the rest house at the local inn. He booked 2 rooms at the local inn. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. So it was very strange. Visitors did not go to Iping in winter. Winter was not a suitable season. So it was a very unusual event. ये जो है बहुत unusual था. क्यों? क्योंकि उस गांव में winter में कोई visitors नहीं आते थे. Unusual. It was very strange event that someone had. It was very strange that someone had entered this village in the winter month. A stranger of such uncommon appearance. Or what about his appearance? उसका appearance क्या common था? Huh?
Not at all.
Not at all. Bandages on the head, always dark glasses. हर समय कोई काला चश्मा पहने रहे, हर समय अगर किसी के सर पे बैंडेज रहे, मोटा विस्कस रहे, अजीब सा नाक रहे, कोई भी चीज उसके चेहरे पर तो कॉमन नहीं था. नकली नाक, मोटा सा मूछ, फिर bandages all the time, dark glasses. So his appearance was very strange, very uncommon, very weird, very bizarre. All these are the synonyms of uncommon, strange, weird, bizarre. Appearance set all the tongues wagging. Tongues wagging means what? Movement of tongues means what? Speaking. मतलब सारे लोग जो है आइपिंग के सारे लोग किसके बारे में बात करने लगे? ग्रिफिन्स के बारे में कि कितना अजीब सा दिखने वाला आदमी है ये. All of them started talking about this strange man with a strange appearance, because everyone was surprised. How can a person be so strange looking? Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, और उसके landlord के नाम क्या था? Mr. Hall. Mrs. Hall was the landlord's wife. This is the name. Strange name, Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, made every effort to be friendly. So the landlord's wife made every effort to be very friendly. But Griffin had no desire to talk. But what kind of a person Griffin was? Very strange person. वो किसी से ज्यादा बात नहीं करता था. किसी के लिए उसके पास कोई feelings ही नहीं था. These things also you can add in your character sketch. That he did not like talking to anyone. He did not like talking to anyone. All these things you can add in your character sketch. To talk and told her. But Griffins had no desire to talk. Griffins had no desire to talk. So the landlady was a very friendly kind of woman. She wanted to make friends with. She wanted to have a good relation with her tenant. Tenant, you know what is the meaning of tenant? You know what is the meaning of tenant? One who lives in someone's house, किराएदार, tenant. So Griffins,
Renter.
Renter, yes, renter. But Griffins had no desire to talk and told her, my reason for coming to Iping is a desire for solitude. What is the meaning of solitude? You know the meaning of solitude?
To be left alone. To be alone.
To be left alone. So Griffins did not want to talk to anyone. Why he did not want to talk to anyone? Because he was a strange person. He did not want anyone to know what kind of a person he was. Guilty mind is always suspicious. He was a guilty person. So he did not want to come close to anyone. So what did he reply when the landlady tried to be friendly with her? What did he reply? that I don't want to talk to anyone. I have come to this village only because I want to be alone. So that shows also that he did not have proper manners. The landlady tried to be friendly to him, but he told her that he did not want to talk to her. He had come to that village only because he want to be left alone. So I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. So, and what did he tell the landlady? That she should not come to his room again and again. He did not want to be disturbed. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. Besides, an accident has affected my face, and Griffins knows that people will talk about the strange appearance. So what excuse did he make for the bandages on his forehead and all? What did he say about his strange appearance? He told a lie. He had the bandages on his forehead, but he told them that his face has been affected because of an accident. He told a lie to the landlady. Satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist. Now this landlady, she was a very simple and innocent kind of a woman. What did she think? She did not have any suspicion on Griffins. So we'll continue in the next class. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything not clear till now? Okay.
The meaning of eccentric?
Eccentric means very strange, abnormal behavior. But that's
Okay.
strange, not normal, abnormal behavior. Griffins was in many ways abnormal. He did not like talking to anyone. He was very rude, very misbehaved. So all these things are not normal.